This course is guaranteed. I want you to feel safe. I want you to feel confident. And I want you to feel that you have nothing to lose. You just need to click buy now, take the course, immerse yourself in it. Take my free 3-video series. Go through all the modules. Take in everything you can take in. Watch it once, twice, 3 times. If after immersing yourself in the course, you don't feel that you got what I said I'm here to give you, I will gladly give you your money back. I'm not here to take your money. I'm here to give you knowledge. And of course, there's a price to pay for my knowledge. But if you don't feel that you're getting that from this course, your money is yours. That is what I'm here to do. This course isn't about me, it's about you. And because of that, I'm giving you this guarantee. In life, it's important that you invest in yourself. As a business owner, you need to constantly educate yourself and provide yourself with resources that are gonna take your business to the next level. At the end of the day, if you don't pay for this course and sign up to learn this information, I'm not gonna be offended. You should be offended because you're basically saying you're not worth investing this small one-time cost to empower yourself to get your business to the next level. Over the past few years, I've worked with a wide variety of business owners, anywhere from consultants and hair salons to big companies that are making millions of dollars that are on GSA schedule and they have insane cash flow. They're doing everything from having a fleet of Maseratis to flying private jet coast to coast. What's interesting is a business owner on this level versus a business owner on this level, they're dealing with the same things, the same aspects of business, the same financial and tax concerns. However, you're gonna benefit from what the millionaire was paying me in my time and my hourly work, or the linen factory guy who's still making great money, but they're still putting these dollars in my pocket to get really the same thing. They wanna know how can they save money? How can they protect their assets and grow their assets? How do they protect their business from unnecessary fees, expenses, penalties, or perhaps being shut down completely, which I've experienced clients like that as well. This is the information that they all want. They all want transparency. They all want support. They all want education. This is my education. I am an accountant. I studied an accounting degree. I have continuing education that I have to upkeep as a CPA and a professional in the business. And unfortunately, most business owners haven't even taken one class, one course on the basics of accounting, on the basics of tax. So you're basically getting their questions, their resources, my education, my experience, and the accumulation of all of this in one course for a very, very fair price that you're paying one time that, as I explained, the longer you are in business, the more money you're making, the bigger the impact this course is gonna have on your business. Unfortunately, the accounting profession is the one profession that's not like seeing your doctor or seeing a lawyer where they'll tell you, this is what we're finding. These are your options. This is what the outcome of those options are. Here's where we proceed from here. This profession has a curtain up and there are things on the other side that you can't see. This course is going to give you insight and transparency that you're not going to get anywhere else. You need to think of your business as a baby. The baby needs to be clothed, fed, protected, safeguarded, encouraged, and educated. If you are not constantly contributing to the growth isn't going to occur. So this course is basically getting you to do a better job of taking care of your baby and maybe doing things you didn't know that you need to do for your baby. One of the best lessons I've learned in my life is that in life, there is this circle graph of what you know that you know, what you know that you don't know, and then everything else. In life, there are a lot of blind spots. There are things that you don't know. And unless someone comes up to you and smacks you upside the side of the head and says, this is what you don't know that you don't know, you're not going to get it. That is what this course is about, and I'm here to give you those blind spots.